Here I have CAT S40, and today I'm going to show you how to check phone's model on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the About Phone section, and here you can find your model number, but also in status. Okay, so basically this is just like your model number. This is phone's model S40, as I said at the beginning of the video, so I guess it's the legit information. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.